Yo! Yo! Damn! That was so good. I want to learn Korean. I want to learn Korean. Let's see, language learning apps. There we go. Let's see, what else is there? Korean. Rosetta no. This one looks good. All right, download. Okay, here we go. Day one on the path of learning Korean. Let's get it. What is this? This dog. Hey, get it. Oh man, that's so cute. Look at this pig. Wait, I'm supposed to be learning a language. What am I doing? All right, no big deal. Time starts now. Officially learning Korean starting now. Let's get it. Come on, I gotta focus. Is that James? No way! I'm starting officially now. Now is the start. No more distractions, no... Windows alert, what do you want? This app is pretty... I swear I'm gonna get that fluent Korean, let's go. Manaso. So, manaso. This, yo, Korean doesn't sound too hard, man. This is, I'm doing it. I'm finally doing... Twitter. Yada does like Twitter. You really think I'm gonna click on your notification? Come on. Snapchat. Who could this be? No! Focus. Not Instagram again. Goddamn. Where's email shit? Manaso. No more distractions. Manaso. What the hell was that? That's so stupid. 한국말. I'm gonna put this down for now. Whoa! That was it's a lot of work. So I'm finally able to focus, but the grammar though, it's like Yoda speak. I don't understand it at all. I need a little bit of help. Let's see, Korean. What is it? Kabed? Korean grammar. There we go.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ninja Tube. Sada means to buy.
Sada, to buy. What people said in the comments. What is this? Polyglots. Why they can learn so many languages? Wait, this is not even Korean. What am I doing? God, it is so hard to stay focused nowadays. Why is this so hard? What is this? Staying focused in 2019 be like, oh, this would probably be funny. Yo!